Welcome the new Automotive Maintenance and Repair application on the zSpace platform. The Automotive Maintenance and Repair application is divided into two modules, Comprehensive Training and Maintenance. The Comprehensive Training module contains three modes: Learning, Exploration, and Practice. The Learning mode contains 25 maintenance service training lessons. The Exploration mode offers open autonomous training, and the Practice mode, users can complete their assessments. The Maintenance module contains two modes, Regular and Self-Maintenance. The Regular Maintenance mode corresponds to scheduled maintenance services up to 30,000 miles, and the Self-Maintenance mode includes 7 failures for the user to work through. This application offers a dynamic, interactive, and safe learning environment that enhances users' practical skills, knowledge, and confidence in the field of automotive maintenance and repair. It is a valuable tool for both aspiring technicians and experienced professionals looking to enhance their expertise. By creating an immersive learning experience, the Automotive Maintenance and Repair application helps better prepare students to take industry certifications and join the workforce. For more information, please visit zSpace.com.